Now, to start with healthspan, which is basically a way to view your biological versus chronological speed of aging, is how you want to access this is you click on the health option in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, and you can click on healthspan up here, assuming you have the Whoop MG, of course. And once you're actually on this page, you can actually view your speed of aging. The further left it is, the slower you're aging, and the further right it is, the faster you're aging. You can see I'm at the minimum age that Whoop actually offers when it comes to this metric. You can see I'm aging at a speed of less or slower than an 18-year-old, which I guess that's the minimum. I can't be aging any slower, so I guess I have perfect health. That's funny. But when we scroll down, you can actually view all of these different features that all play different roles and factors when it comes into indicating the speed of aging. You can see right here, sleep consistency is a big role, and getting a lot of good, high-quality sleep will add about 2.3 years to your life. And you can see my 6 months average is slightly lower than the top result right here when it comes to slowing your speed of aging. And you can see we can scroll down. Strain is another big feature. Now, strain includes your mental stress, physical, emotional stress, as well as the healthy fitness stress. Like if you're doing an activity in zone 4 or 5, that will show up on this page like so. And if you do want to see more information just on why their reasoning is you're in the middle, you can see my arrow, versus being on the upper or lower end, you can easily click on it and you can actually talk to your Whoop coach just to view more insights or just view more trends in general to see your 6 month speed of aging. So basically you can just see your pace of aging as well as the average and the trend versus your real biological speed of aging, which as you can see just by scrolling down and clicking on the section right here, you can see I'm actually 20.6 years old, and you can see the speed of aging I'm aging at is an 18-year-old, which is significantly slower than my actual biological age. And you can see the more you wear this wearable, the more accurate this speed of aging will actually get. Now, it's currently taking the last 6 months of data, as I've mentioned, but the more you wear it, the more accurate data it'll actually give you, because this is a really hard thing to predict, and honestly, I'm really surprised they have it, but it's so